Hey everybody, I'm Kara Bunt and I have a business where I print wafer paper and make silicone molds for cake decorating. And today I have a very quick tip about the printer head. And we know that when you have these lovely edible ink printers, they usually get very clogged up. And because they don't have the chemicals that flow through and are in regular ink to keep the printer heads clean, you just have to take out the printer head and completely clean it. And that's why the Canon printers are the best for that, because you can remove the printer head. So the process of cleaning one out, take everything out. I have other videos about this. I'll direct you to that at the very end. But the first thing you want to do, rinse it with really hot water, under running water. Turn it over like this so that the water is going into the bottom and it's coming out the little sponges here. If that doesn't work and you've gone through the whole thing, you've cleaned the whole thing out, what you're going to do is get a little syringe that you can get at the pharmacy. I think this came in a bottle of my cat's medicine or something. You have to squirt it down their mouths. You're going to take some hot water, fill the syringe, put it right up against one of these little sponges, and it's always the red one. Put it right up against the sponge in here and just shoot that water right through. You might have to do that a few times, but I found that it's basically forcing the water through there will dislodge any kind of chunks of whatever is built up. And sometimes that will get it flowing right. So if you go through the whole process, you've cleaned the printer head, you've done it twice. Sometimes I have to clean them 2 or 3 times before they'll start working. But if you go through and you clean it once and you've soaked it, you've given it time to really get in there and soften up any clogs, and it still doesn't work, try the syringe. It really does work, and you can put it right up against the sponge, like I said, and just shoot the water right through with some pressure, and that will usually dislodge anything that's in there. So give it a try, post any questions, and I will talk to you later.